Welcome to this training video. It shows you how to capture the frequency response function using the drag and drop technique. Let us assume that the amplifier and channel configuration as well as the scaling settings have already been made. Right-click the canvas and select Chart to launch a strip chart recorder. Click the gear button to open the setup panel. Click the vertical button to open the channel selection. Hold down the Control key and select all involved channels. The order of the selection matters. The first selected channel is used as excitation, all other are treated as response signals. Close the channel selector and setup page. Start the measurement with the Start button or F4. You can see the waveform of the selected channels in the display. Let's do some hits with the modal hammer. When you are done, press the Stop button or F5 to stop the acquisition. Right-click the canvas and select FRF to start a new FRF app. The default mouse cursor tool of the chart recorder is the X-scale zoom. So you can now zoom in a hit. It is important that the zoomed area is at least as long as the block size setting of the FRF app. The default value is 500 milliseconds. Drag and drop the snippet from the chart recorder into any of the plots in the FRF window. No worries, you will not do another zoom if the mouse leaves the chart window. As a result, we immediately get the transfer function of the section. Now you can navigate to another hit in the time domain chart with any of the known tools, such as the hand tool, the scroll bar or the zooming options. Drag and drop the section again into any plot of the FRF window. The new spectrum will be added to the average calculation of the resulting spectrum. You can see the number of averaged hits in this counter. Repeat this for all hits that you want to add to your averaging. If you want to reset averaging and start over, simply click the Reset button.